Welcome back, folks. Today we are diving into some exciting Kubernetes action as we scale our app up and down using replica sets. If you're new here, replica sets are like the wizards of horizontal scaling in Kubernetes. Now, here is the thing. We are not going to be micromanaging our replica sets directly. No, that's not how we roll. We are letting the deployment workload take care of that for us. Smart, right? In our last deployment session, we talked about how we could edit configuration on the fly. While that's cool and all, the preferred method is to update the config and deploy the changes. And guess what? That's exactly what we are going to do today. Let's fire up our trusty VS Code and open the deployment1.yaml. Here, I'm going to do a little tweak. I'm bumping up the number of replicas from 1 to 3. And pay attention to the selector section. It's using the same label as our pod template. That's how ReplicaSet knows what's up. With our changes saved, let's head back to the terminal and check out the current status of our pod for deployment 1. Now, it's time to apply our updated configuration. And finally, let's check out our pods again. Boom! Just like that, we have scaled our app from one lonely pod to three busting replicas. There you have it, folks. Scaling with Kubernetes is breeze when you have got a replica set doing heavy lifting. Stay tuned for more Kubernetes adventure and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest updates.